Elderly housewife confesses to killing husband with hammer. Gun wrapped in plastic bag found under concrete blocks in St. Catherine. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The St. Elizabeth police have charged a 73-year-old housewife from Cabbage Valley district in the parish with the murder of her husband. Enid Townsend reportedly confessed to using a hammer to strike her husband, 74-year-old farmer Arthur Townsend, multiple times. The incident occurred on Saturday about 4 a.m. The police stated that the alleged confession revealed that the incident arose from a dispute stemming from Townsend's late husband's omission of her name from his will. Police seized a firearm containing 3 rounds of ammunition during an operation on Rosemary Avenue in Portmore, St. Catherine on Monday. Reports are that about 7:50 p.m., a targeted raid was conducted in the area and a premises was searched.